Hello everybody, my name is Gatis Kandis and today I will show you how to make bottle cap challenge videos. So it's very simple. First of all, you need the bottle, and then you need to build some device that is gonna hold the camera that is gonna film the bottle cap. So in this case I got this metal spatula which I have glued to the bottom of the bottle, and then I attached selfie stick to that, and then there's a camera. And so as you can see, when I turn it this way, I've turned this a little bit with an angle so the bottle cap is right in the middle. And so before you start filming, you just tap it to hold to focus, and so now it locks the focus, and now it's gonna be always perfectly in focus, and it's gonna record the video. And I've set it in slow motion as well, so afterwards you can replay it in slow motion effect. And then here I attached little bit of tape, because when you put it down on a table it's gonna act as a support, so it's not gonna fall over, especially when the camera is on a selfie stick, because otherwise the weight would pull it down and it would fall down. And so yeah, that's it. That's how you can build your own bottle cap challenge filming device. Thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you soon.